I've just finished using this tiller for the first time. Just tore up this corner of the 3 rows in our garden. And then next I'll do a raised garden bed just to kind of show it to you in action. Then at the very end, I'll do the unboxing if you care to see that. All right, here are the highlights. It's strong enough. I'm not a commercial farmer, so we've got maybe a 30-foot 3 rows right here where we do corn and okra. And then behind us, we got 4 long beds and raised garden beds. And so it's just stuff around the house. This is plenty good enough. I was hoping it would be, and it is. The highlights are it comes with 2 batteries. It is strong enough, and it's really easy to clean. You can see right here, those little linch pins right there. You pull those, you'll see in the footage that it gets tangled up with roots and long grass and stuff. You just pull those pins, clean it out, pop it back on. Super convenient. That's probably my favorite feature. All in all, the only thing I would probably improve upon is the handle. It's not super tight, although I kind of like the handle to kind of slip around so I can get it in the right spot. But it's not super tight. When you're using it, gravity holds it in place. It's totally fine, but I think I would put a nut on the back end of it so that the screw will actually go into a metal nut instead of just plastic. I can fix that myself if I want to, stick a zip tie on it if I want to, but it's not a big issue, but I will say that that is something that could be improved. All in all, I like it. So let me show it to you in action. This was sent to me for a review. This is my honest review. I think it'll do the job and it's affordable. All right, come on.